Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to make stuffed mushrooms, and let's get started. I washed the mushrooms. Now I'm going to take the little stems out of the center of the mushroom. Take that out. Oops, I just broke that one. Just pull it out like that. Okay, I've taken all of the stems out of the mushrooms. I have about 3 ounces of cream cheese. Add to the plate. You want your cream cheese to be room temperature. Using 1/3 of the turkey sausage, ground turkey. I'm going to use 1/3 of a cup of cheddar cheese. And I'm going to mix it up really well. Okay, the stuffing is ready. I'm using, I think this is like a tablespoon here to stuff the mushrooms with. I added the little tops that I took out of the mushrooms, and I have 4 spicy ones. So I put some little pepper on the top of it, so I know those are the spicy ones. And now I'm gonna add some grapeseed oil on the top of it. Kind of in the middle of here. Heated oven at 350 degrees for 35. I just took the stuffed mushrooms out of the oven, and they are steaming hot. So I'm going to taste it in a little bit when they cool off. But this is what they look like after they come out of the oven.